In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see everyone on Zoom. Whether you're in a large meeting for work or catching up with friends and family, seeing everyone at once can make your Zoom experience much more engaging. So let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this. First, you'll need to ensure that you've joined your Zoom meeting. Once you are in, take a look at the layout of your Zoom window. You might notice that not everyone is visible on your screen by default, especially if the meeting has numerous participants. To adjust this, start by moving your cursor to the bottom of the screen. There, you should see a menu of options. The first thing to do is to click on the participants icon. Clicking this will open a sidebar on the right-hand side of your screen, showing a complete list of everyone who is currently in the meeting. This is a helpful tool if you want to verify who's on the call, or if you're interested in seeing names and details beyond faces. However, if you're aiming to see everyone's video feed simultaneously, there's another way. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your Zoom window, where you should see the View icon, which resembles a grid. Clicking on this grid icon will allow you to switch to a different viewing option, known as the Gallery View. The Gallery View displays all participants' video feeds in a grid formation, allowing you to see everyone at a glance. This can make the meeting feel more interactive, as you can see everyone's reactions and engage with the group more effectively. It's important to note that the number of participants you can view at once in Gallery View may vary depending on your device and screen size. Zoom can accommodate up to 49 thumbnails per page on a single screen, but the actual number visible might be less for some devices like tablets or smaller monitors. If there are more participants than can be displayed on a single page, simply scroll through the different pages to see everyone. For added flexibility during the meeting, you might want to experiment with adjusting the size of the thumbnails. This can be done by resizing the Zoom window or altering your device's resolution settings, which might give you a better layout to suit your needs. As a final tip, if you're using Zoom on a mobile device, the interface is slightly different, but you can still access the gallery view by swiping left until you reach it. The experience varies slightly compared to desktop, but the same principle of scrolling to see more participants applies, and that's all there is to it. Now you have all the steps to see everyone in your Zoom meetings. These simple actions can enrich your virtual experiences, making them as close to in-person meetings as possible. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on maximizing your online engagement.